What's up, guys? Welcome to day 2 of my vlog, and it is really exciting to do this. And I have a few things to wrap up at the office, so I'm just waiting for Gitanjali right now because she wants to shop. There's some strategies, new strategies that we are creating, and we're also building something very, very interesting for traders and investors to be able to scan and pick stocks really well. So that's the second agenda, and the last agenda for the day for me is to have a word with the developers because we are building something exciting and we are facing some challenges with that. So we'll just have a word with developers on what solutions have they basically proposed. So let's get going.
Hi, so you're going to shop something for me?
So you can see Tanji's excitement because she just wanted to shop something just out of the blue. And then we just arrived at the Levi's store because Gitanjali wanted to, buy, some jeans. But then she basically just, tried to find a lot of stuff, but then nothing was really, matching, what she wanted to. So after, everything, we went to Iconic. Once we reached there, what's the issue?
People assume that was 28, but that's not true.
We then left the Iconic store. So we just, drove back to the office because we had to, get things done. We reached the office and I just entered saying hi, hello to everybody. So, once I entered, everyone was again surprised just to see this continue. After saying hi, hello to everybody, I then moved over to our social media manager. हाँ जी
जी
क्या हो रहा है
बस वही स्टोरी
Story?
रोड हो रही है फिग्मा से
Okay,
और लगने जा रही है इंस्टाग्राम पे.
okay, very good. And then I moved to the research analyst team. What's up, guys? And Mr. Abhishek, what are you doing?
We are also testing some option selling strategies. Just
कौन सी ला रहे हो भाई नई स्ट्रेटजी कैन यू गिव अ ग्लिम्प्स
Batman.
बैटमैन रेशियो स्प्रेड हाँ जी
टेस्टिंग चल रही है, नई स्ट्रैटेजी की पे टेस्टिंग चल रही है.
एंड
आ रहा है
एनी हिंट अबाउट द स्ट्रेटजी
नो वो लॉन लाइव होने के बाद ही.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या कुछ तुम्हारे पास दिखाने के लिए नहीं है कुछ रिजल्ट
हाँ जी है ना,
कुछ है दिखाने के लिए
ये देखो आज क्लोज्ड सिग्नल्स हैं आज की नई स्ट्रैटेजी के.
इसी स्ट्रेटजी के
हाँ जी जो हिडन है अभी बट रिजल्ट्स देख सकते हो.
ओके दिस इज अडानी एंड सॉल ये लॉस गए ये ब्रेक इवन के पास गया है ये भी सही है टाइटन में भी है एंड देन ओके लेट्स सी
Yes, 1 day के returns है.
okay then what is this
This is our new strategy which is coming. It has on over the 80% winner probability.
okay
Very late fraud on also.
this looks interesting PNL का दिखाओ ना नीचे okay this is rolling strangle okay नीचे जाओ can you show okay so transaction history तो दिखाओ
ठीक है मुझे कोई फॉर्म
okay
मैं आपको कैसे
so the max loss is 14,000 rupees and the max gain is 42,000 rupees and what's the capital required
I think 3.5-4 lakh.
so can you tell the viewers that there is a very crazy option selling strategy portfolio coming
Yes, obviously we are coming with strike folios.
okay perfect okay keep doing up the good work we'll see you around hi Sambhav
Hi.
what's up what's happening in brochure strike okay guys let's see Sambhav क्या beautiful चीज design कर रहा है okay brochure revamp हो रहा है okay really nice so ठीक है completed with the UI of Strike's now coming for brochure oh perfect okay I'll just see this brochure in like a while hello Madhur hi guys
Hello sir.
Abu Dhar say hi. I then crashed into an interview that was happening. Interview. Oh, sorry. Second. I just. Secondly, first ही vlog चल रहा है, but अभी I just disturbed you guys. Sorry. Hello. अरे डर क्यों गए भाई? Hello. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening, guys? Whoa. क्या कर रहे हो? Ticket resolve कर रहे हो?
Yes sir, on time mail.
Okay. क्या है रिस्पॉन्स टाइम एवरेज टिकट का
Average ticket का 5 to 6 minutes.
5 to 6 minutes
Yes.
परफेक्ट ये सब रिजॉल्व है
Yes.
चलो वेरी गुड
That P2 started by OVFE, right? So this is how basically this managed portfolio is created. तो मैंने आपको वही हेल्प कर दिया उसमें.
The CS team was basically helping everybody out, and it was great to see all of them having a good time. And then I was just seeing this chart, and that's why I asked Simran what exactly is happening. and she just told that she was doing some webinar work. I then moved on to another floor where I just said hi, hello to everybody, and everyone kind of gets conscious whenever I kind of get the camera in, and then I went to Ramandeep. हाँ जी, क्या हो रहा है? Video बन रही है, okay, something on Tata Sierra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And then I said hi to Muskan, and she just told me what she was doing. And then I moved towards Pallavi and Chelsea. I just took a follow up on what exactly is happening. Okay, very good. Hi, Chelsea. क्या हो रहा है? Vati management.
Yes, Vati management.
Okay, very good. है हमारे पास 100 messages which we have not responded to. Yeah, सब.
Yeah, 10 to 11 quid
बस,
more.
that's
Yes,
it.
that's it.
चलो, very good. हाँ जी अमन, कहाँ से आ रहे हो?
CS.
अच्छा. Okay, very good. Any offers of the day?
TriCax 12 month in 23,999. Price will be hiked for 39,999 tomorrow.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, let's go. तो इसमें प्रॉब्लम ये है कि तुम्हें डिले फेस हो रहा है.
Exactly.
Okay. So basically, guys, this is a Renko strategy that we're building for all of you, and this is the forward test data. And यहाँ पर कुछ issues face हो रहे हैं, so price fetch करने में. But all of this data is fine, but थोड़ा सा delay हो रहा है. So we are just trying to test it out on how we will basically solve for it. And this is for both stock futures and stock options. So let's see what is the solution for this. And I've already shown this to you. I will show each day कि कौन सी strategy में क्या trades ले रहे हैं. हम इसको forward test करेंगे and then we will launch it for all of you guys. What's up, guys? What's happening?
Nothing. I have more works.
Why?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure out.
Do you have a problem?
Yeah, they're saying I can't say that on camera, Bhavan.
Okay. Okay, anything that you would like to say on cam?
Nothing. Everything's going really well. We're thinking of the next reel.
अच्छा ऐसा है. Very good. And Akshita, do we have any openings?
Yes.
कहाँ पे? Sales and research analyst,
Till search.
equity research analyst, sales and marketing also, right? We need a digital marketer.
Yes, we need a brand manager.
So how can people apply?
You can apply through Indeed. You can find our Indeed applications, and you can also apply through email. So you can send us your CVs on hrs@office.in.
Perfect. All right. Okay. So, okay, Rani, anything to discuss today?
Yes, Kushal and I and you are supposed to meet and discuss about the next reel that we are planning. The script is already ready, so whenever you're ready to shoot it, we shall go
So,
ahead.
are we going all in on content, Gitanjali?
Yes, we are going all in on content, as you already know.
Okay, perfect. And any targets? We have about 25,000 YouTube subscribers and about 120,000 Instagram followers.
Exactly. We're supposed to take it up to 250,000 this month.
This month.
This month.
Okay, guys, ये थोड़ा गीतांजलि ने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बोल दिया. Let's try to prove her right. Akshay, you want to tell about the punctuality bonuses that we give? It's unique.
Yes. So what we do is we have credited 5K punctuality bonus to all of the people who have reported on time and who have taken less than 4 leaves in order to motivate the others.
Oh, wow. Hey guys, इस table पे ना जगह नहीं है, so I'll tell you how a meeting can happen. So that's how you shift this. And okay guys, I'll take this camera off now. अभी कुशल,
Yes, sir.
क्या प्लान है अभी?
स्टोरीज अभी अपलोड करने वाले 6 बजे.
Okay.
हमारे जो भी आज के रिजल्ट्स है वो सब आप 6 बजे देख सकते हो हमारे चैनल PM ट्रेड्स पे इंस्टाग्राम.
Okay, very good. Vignesh, Instagram. Oh my god. ये समझ नहीं आया मुझे, but I think जो भी बोला अच्छा ही बोला होगा.
तेलुगु पीपल ऑल द तेलुगु पीपल.
Oh, okay, very nice.
तू दिखता कहाँ पे?
क्या?
दिखता कहाँ पे?
ये ऐसे दिखता है ना, देखो इधर दिखता है, और अगर मैं चाहूँ तो मैं फ्लिप भी कर सकता हूँ. So before wrapping up, I'm just trying to, review a trading view point script strategy so that we can basically look out for better performing strategies. And there are a few very exciting things that we are trying to do. One is a Renko based strategy. The second is a very low frequency but very high probability strategies. I'll just try to give you like a quick overview of what I'm talking about. So just have a look at this. Okay. So this is a strategy which is for options, and this is from the last about 2 years. The strategy has delivered about 2 lakh rupees of profits in just about 11 trades. And we will just try to, we're currently forward testing it. And the beauty of the strategy is that it has not taken a single trade after September. So September, October, November, December, no trades. And the trades that the strategy took, so you can see 6,300 rupee loss, 5,700 rupee loss, but then the gains are just extremely big, right? So very, very low losses, low amount of losses, but good reward. And if you look at the risk reward over here, so you can clearly see it's almost like a 1:6 with a winning probability of 63%, with about only 11 trades taken in 2 years. So for patient investors, I think this could be the key. Yes, I know a lot of you have already subscribed to StrikeX. This is going to be going live, and lots of optimizations are already happening. So within a week they will be live, and I think a lot of new things will try to come. So yeah, that's more or less it, and I think now I'll be leaving the office. So that's it from my side. I'm leaving the office now. So see you in the next vlog, and I hope you liked it. Please drop in your comments if you really liked the way I'm trying to conduct this vlog. So that's it from my side. Bye bye and take care.